Hello everyone, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel, and you're with Bill the Drunken Sailor. Today we're continuing with our cocktail season of Christmas. And today's cocktail just says it's Christmas time. What represents Christmas more than the taste of a candy cane? And that's what we're gonna have today. We're making a Candy Cane Martini. Let's get pouring. The terrible thing about Christmas is it gets very complicated. You've got to deal with friends, you've got to deal with family, you've got to deal with guests, but it's a labor of love. The nice thing about the Candy Cane Martini is it's just 3 simple ingredients. We've got vodka, and we're breaking out the good stuff today, Grey Goose. We've got heavy cream, and you can use half and half or milk if you want, but remember, holiday calories don't count. And our final ingredient in there is candy cane simple syrup. Equal parts sugar, water, and put in some candy canes and boil it up. So first thing we need to do is we're going to grab our shaker out there, and we are going to put in there 1 ounce of candy cane simple syrup. And it smelled absolutely amazing when we were making this stuff. We're going to follow that up again with 1 ounce of cream. Last ingredient going in there is 1.5 ounces of vodka. As I said, today we're using Grey Goose, no skimping for the guests, and 1.5 ounces are in there. Pardon me. I like to spill. It rhymes with Bill. So keep a rag handy and clean it up. Now what I want to do is ice it up to chill it down. Lots of ice in there. Let's put our shaker on top of that. Let's give it a good shake. Got to get every last drop out of there. I'm going to put that off to the side. Now I've taken the liberty of already preparing my martini glass. And all we did is take some candy canes. We've crushed them up, put a little bit of that candy cane syrup on there, and then rolled it around in there. With a prepared glass, what we need to do next is pour. We're going to take our Hawthorne strainer, just pour it into the glass. And there we go. Another Christmas cocktail, that Candy Cane Martini. Let's give this a taste. Oh, you better hide these. If the elf on the shelf sees this, you're not going to get a sip. Good, tasty peppermint, smooth vodka, creamy texture to it. Merry Christmas, everybody.